exercise 7.2. The fifth question is find the ratio in which line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 comma 5 is divisible by x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. So here the given 2 points are A comma B, where A is 1 comma minus 5 and B is minus 4 comma 5. Clearly mentioned that it is divisible by x-axis. So the point P exists in between A and B, which is nothing but 0 comma x comma 0, because it is x-axis. So the y coordinate is 0. Also find the coordinates of the points of division. We have to find these points. Let the ratio is m is to 1. Here solution, let the ratio is m is to 1. So here the points A is equal to 1 comma minus 5, which is x1 y1, and the point B is equal to minus 4 comma 5, which is x2 y2. We know the section formula x comma 0 is equal to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n comma m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. Here m is to 1 is nothing but m is to n. Here m is a 1, m is m and n is a 1. If you substitute the values, m into x2 is a minus 4 plus n 1 into x1 is a 1 by m plus 1 comma, here m is m and y2 is a 5 plus n is a 1 into y1 is a minus 5 by m plus 1. So here x comma 0. So this is a x coordinate and this is a y coordinate. If you equalize the y coordinates, 0 is equal to m into 5, 5m plus minus into plus, it gives you minus 5 by m plus 1. Here if you do cross multiplication, then you will get 0 into m plus 1 is equal to 5m minus 5. 0 into anything gives you 0, that is equal to 5. If you take a 5 common, 5 into m minus 1. Here 0 by 5 is equal to m minus 1. So m minus 1 is equal to 0 by anything gives you 0. So m is equal to, if you transfer minus 1 to the RHS side, becomes plus 1. So m is equal to 1. This is the value of the 1. So here the ratio is m is to 1, that is equal to 1 is to 1. So when the ratio is 1 is to 1, P must be a midpoint. P must be a midpoint. When P is a midpoint, we can easily find out the x coordinate. So here x coordinate is equal to x1 plus y1 by, x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. So here x1 is a 1 plus x2 is a minus 4 by 2. So 1 plus half minus minus 4 by 2, that is equal to x is equal to minus 3 by 2, and x comma 0 is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 0. This is the required point of P. That's it. Here the sixth question is if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, 6 comma x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Here clearly mentioned that the given points are vertices of the parallelogram. So here let A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Here A is 1 comma 2 and B is 4 comma y and C is 6 comma x comma 6 and D is 3 comma 5. Here it contains diagonals AC and BD. The point of intersection P is nothing but the midpoint of AC and the midpoint of BD here. So, solution from the figure, we know that midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. So the midpoint of AC. So x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here, if you observe AC, x1 is 1 plus x2 is x by 2, comma y1 is 2 plus y2 is 6 by 2 is equal to the midpoint of BD. Here x1 is 4 plus 3 by 2, comma and y1 plus y2 y plus 5 by 2. So these 2 points are equal. That means x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are equal. If you take first x coordinates are equal, 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. And if you take second time, 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. If you want to, you have to do the cross multiplication here. So 2 into 1 plus x is equal to 2 into 4 plus 3. So here 2 and 2 cancel. 1 plus x is equal to 4 plus 3. So here x is equal to 4 plus 3 gives you 7. If you transfer 1 to the other side, becomes minus 1. So x is equal to 7 minus 1 gives you 6. This is the x. And if you do cross multiplication here, 2 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 2 into y plus 5. Here 2 cancel. 2 plus 6 is equal to y plus 5. 2 plus 6 gives you 8 is equal to y plus 5. So y is equal to 8 minus 5 gives you y is equal to 3. So here x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. So this is the required values for the x and y. That's it. Here the seventh question is find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. Here clearly mentioned that it is a circle. In it is a point. So the diameter of the coordinates, find the coordinates of the point A and B where AB is a diameter. Here mention that AB is a diameter in which whose center C is 2 comma minus 3. So and given that B is 1 comma 4, we have to find A coordinates here. So solution, given center C is equal to 2 comma minus 3 and B is equal to 1 comma 4. Now let A is equal to x comma y. We know that in a diameter center lies in between A and B in equidistance. That means C is a midpoint of AB. So we know that C is a midpoint of AB line segment. So here that means C is equal to here x1 is x plus x2 is 1 by 2 comma y1 is y plus y2 is 4 by 2. Here C is nothing but 2 comma minus 3, that is equal to x plus 1 by 2 comma y plus 4 by 2. Here the x coordinates are equal and y coordinates are equal. So 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2 and another minus 3 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. If you do cross multiplication, 2 into 2 is equal to x plus 1, 4 is equal to x plus 1, x is equal to 4 minus 1, then x is equal to 3. Now here, if you do cross multiplication again, minus 3 into 2 is equal to y plus a 4. So 3 to the 6, minus 6 is equal to y plus a 4. Y is equal to minus 6 minus 4. You will get y is equal to minus 10 here. So the coordinate point of the point of coordinates A is equal to, A point is x comma y is equal to 3 comma minus 10. This is the point we have to find. That's it.